So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, go into your crypto account. Then once you're there, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across trending categories, press on crypto. Then on this screen, we're going to go ahead and find Filecoin. So go to the bottom to where it says FIL, or scroll down until you come across Filecoin or FIL. So for me, it's right here, ticker symbol FIL or Filecoin. Press on that right there. Now on this screen, go to where it says buy at the bottom, press on buy. Now place however much money you wish to invest into Filecoin. So I'll just do $1 for this example, then press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Filecoin, ticker symbol FIL in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.